Welcome to this video where I will show you how you can make custom view orientations. As you probably know, SolidWorks has predefined view orientations, for instance front, top and right. In the 3D modeling environment you can access these by clicking the View Orientation command. This will show a cube with different clickable surfaces which all represent a certain view to the model. This particular view can also easily added to a 2D drawing by opening the view palette in the task pane and drag them into the drawing. But what if you want to view your model from a different view over and over again? Or what if you want to add a view on the 2D drawing that is not predefined in the standard view orientations? Easy. Let's have a look together. Here I have an assembly open in SolidWorks. If we start the View Orientation command from the heads-up toolbar, the cube with TE standard views will show up. Let's select the isometric view. I like to add this view on the drawing for better understanding the geometry, but some legs of the bureau are almost out of sight. We need to rotate the model so that the legs are more visible. This is the view we like to add on the drawing. As you will understand, we now have a view orientation that is not present in SolidWorks by default and therefore can't be easily added to our 2D drawing. No worries, we are going to fix this. Start the View Orientation command once again. Now click on the most left icon at the top to make a new view. A new little screen pops up where we need to enter a name for view. We have now created our own custom view orientation that we can access by starting the View Orientation command. We moved over to the 2D drawing of the assembly. Here we want to replace the predefined isometric view with the one we just created. First we delete the isometric view, then we go over to the task pane. In the view palette all the predefined views are present, and when we hit the refresh button, our own created view will be there as well. Now we simply drag it into the drawing and have the right view that suits our needs. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel so we can learn a lot more about SolidWorks and become an expert. Thanks for watching.